Hello, my name is Chris and this is a very simple tutorial on how to create both low poly and high poly sub-D friendly barrel in Blender. Okay, let's start. Let's add a new mesh and it will be cylinder for this time. And it's gonna have around 16 vertices. Now we're gonna go into the edit mode, and in edit mode we're just going to grab it in z-axis by 1 just to match it with the origin point of the object. Now we're gonna change the dimensions, are something around in z-axis 1.2 and 0.9 meters in x and y. Now we're gonna apply the scale, go into the edit mode and add some edge loops. After adding around 4 edge loops, we're making sure that we're using transform pivot point with 3D cursor, and then we're going to the edit mode and just scaling up by this 3D cursor. After scaling it up by the 3D cursor, we can see that we created this a little of barrel shape, and after that we're just selecting the edges we created and just beveling a little bit. After the bevel we're going to duplicate this mesh, and after duplicating it we're going to separate it by using P key and making it as a selection. Now we have two different objects, one is for metal ring and one is for the barrel. Now we're extruding it with using the extrude and Alt S by the proportional scaling. And yep, we have a low poly barrel. But now we're going to optimize it a little bit, just delete the inner faces, they're not needed right now, and select the edges of the metal ring just to create a little bit beveling for our sub-D modifier. So now we're going to scale it a little bit down by excluding from it the z-axis. And after this we're just going to fix a little bit this barrel more and just adding more bevels just to make sure that the sub-D will work correctly. Now we're using the sub-D modifier on both of those elements and we're just shading it smooth. And yes, that's it.